Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ActiveCampaign affiliate program for marketing automation. Complete guide step by step. To register with the ActiveCampaign affiliate program, start by visiting the official ActiveCampaign website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the affiliate link in the footer section. Click on the affiliate link to navigate to the affiliate program page. On the affiliate program page, read through the information provided about the program. Familiarize yourself with the benefits, earning potential, and rules of participation. Locate the Join Now or Sign Up button on the affiliate program page. Click on the Join Now button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill out the required fields in the form, including your name, email address, and website URL. Ensure that the website you provide is relevant to your marketing strategy. You may be asked to provide additional information about your marketing methods. Be honest and thorough when detailing your marketing strategy. After completing the form, review all the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your application. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email from ActiveCampaign. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Within the dashboard, explore the resources available to affiliates. Take note of the affiliate links and promotional materials provided. Familiarize yourself with the tracking system ActiveCampaign uses. Start promoting ActiveCampaign by sharing your unique affiliate link. Monitor your performance and earnings through the dashboard regularly. Engage with the community and access support if needed. Continue to optimize your marketing efforts for better results. This completes the registration process for the ActiveCampaign affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.